Car seats that transition to booster seats are one of my favorites. This is why I was excited when I was asked to test the Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1. As soon as I removed this car seat from the box, I knew that it was going to fit perfectly in my car. It's a narrow car seat that allowed me to fit 3 across. Additionally, it was lightweight enough to easily move to different vehicles. The LATCH system and open-loop belt guides made the installation very easy. But instead of using push-button connectors, they're push-button and can be more frustrating. One of the unique features I found on this car seat was that the harness and headrest adjust together in 8 positions, and no rethreading is needed. There was no fussing around with straws and clips when it came time to adjust them. Additionally, the car seat comes with 2 cup holders attached to the base, not the armrests. One downfall I found was that the frame isn't steel reinforced and there's no EPS energy absorbing foam. This isn't a huge concern since it passes all safety standards. If you want to know more, let's get started. Great convertible booster seat. As a convertible seat, it transitions from a harness booster to a high-back booster, and finally to a backless booster. Thanks to the Simply Safe Adjust system, the headrest and harness can be repositioned together in one seamless motion. This allows your seat to easily and comfortably accommodate your child as they grow. Other comfort features include dual armrests, 2 removable cup holders, a padded body insert, and harness covers. Parents will enjoy how lightweight the seat is, making it effortless to change vehicles. The machine washable inserts, seat pad, and covers are a breeze to clean. Though the Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 is sleek and not heavy, it is still very safe. It has been rigorously crash tested and meets or exceeds all US safety standards. Although it does not have a steel reinforced frame or energy absorbing foam like some of its counterparts, it is simple to obtain a secure install thanks to the LATCH system and open loop belt guides. The transition seat certainly meets all safety standards but is missing a few safety upgrades that usually give parents peace of mind. Booster safety concern. The Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 does not have an age limit listed for any of its available seat uses. However, the company does note that the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends children use a built-in harness system until they reach the weight and/or height limit of their forward-facing seat. Then, if they are under 4'9", they should use a belt positioning booster. Typically, children transition to a belt positioning booster when they are around 8 years old. Furthermore, the American Academy of Pediatrics Association recommends that all infants and children should be rear-faced for as long as possible. In other words, until they meet or exceed the car seat's weight and height limits. Even though the minimum weight limit for the harness booster is 22 pounds, it may not be the safest choice to put a 22-pound child in a booster seat. Expiration information. The Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 harness booster expires 7 years after the date of manufacture. The specific date of manufacture can be located on your seat's product label. Cleaning and care. The seat cover, cushion, and harness covers are machine washable. The harness straps should only be spot cleaned and should never be soaked or immersed. The buckle can be wiped down with a wet cloth. All other metal and plastic components can be cleaned with mild soap and lukewarm water. Warranty information. Graco provides a limited warranty on its products extending 1 year from the date of purchase. Some states prohibit limited warranties, so you should always check with the manufacturer if you find that your car seat isn't functioning correctly or has damaged parts. Graco asks that you contact them. If you're within the warranty period, they will likely replace the parts or product at no cost to you. Durable and safe convertible seat. Overall, the Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but it is an affordable and safe car seat that is perfect for active families. Though some parents seem to have difficulty installing this seat, issues seem to depend on vehicle type. If you're looking for a simple seat at a great price that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, then the Tranzitions is just the seat for you. With the price and all of the unique features, I can safely recommend this car seat. I enjoyed testing it, and my child seemed to like it. Well, this is my observation with this particular model. Maybe you've experienced something different. So, it would be a pleasure you share yours in the comment section below for the rest of the viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you a great day.